is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Got the Lunia. Before we get into this Supreme review, go ahead and check out my Instagram on the bottom left, Chris Got the Lunia with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel on the bottom right. I would greatly appreciate it, and hit me up with a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video at the end. Also, I am doing a raffle on my other Instagram account, Backflip with the underscore at the end, in which I'm raffling off one of these like Supreme bumper balls, the Guns' coach's jacket, one of those Lee Quinones skateboards. So go ahead and check it out if you want. Alright guys, let's get into this. I'm already pissed off. I recorded this whole video and didn't realize my microphone was not on. I'm pissed right now. But it's okay, it's okay. We are getting into this review. Week 1 of Supreme Fall Winter 2018 has already happened. We had the in-store that happened a couple days before the online release happened, which was on Monday, August 20th. Yeah, obviously being here in Austin, Texas, I couldn't cop in store. We don't have a Supreme store here. Unfortunately, I do think that Austin, Texas should have a flagship store, being the only representative in the South. That'd be pretty cool. Regardless of my desires, I was able to cop during week 1 fall winter 2018, and I copped a shoulder bag and a waist bag, both in black. And much like most of you, I tried to go for that Madonna tee, and autofill was crapping out on a lot of us. It's okay guys, it was just week 1. We'll cop some heat some other time. So yes, the shoulder bag and the waist bag, and you already know I love shoulder bags, I love waist bags, especially from Supreme. I love them from whatever company, but I really love them when they're from Supreme. And you can actually check out my other reviews in the cards. I'll leave them up during the duration of this video. I have like multiple waist bag reviews. Alright, let's get into it. So both of these bags, the waist bag and the shoulder bag, came in 4 different colors. Obviously the standard black, yellow, purple, and red. Really, I'm thinking they were favoring those Laker colors for some reason. The waist bag cost $88 USD, the shoulder bag cost $74 USD. And I'm actually confused by this pricing, especially since the volume that this holds of the waist bag is 1.2 liters. The shoulder bag holds 1.7 liters. The waist bag has lesser compartments than the shoulder bag, so why the price difference? Why is this more expensive? I really can't justify this waist bag at this point. In mentioning that this was $88 retail and this was $74 retail, concerning third party or resale market, this is going for about $125 and this about $115. Now with the different colors, these are definitely the black ones, the lowest performing out of the bunch. And I'm not too worried about that because in previous seasons, the black ones always tend to be the lowest performing in terms of resale, but by the end of the season, they've doubled their retail price and outperformed the other colors. So hold on to these, definitely well past the end of the season. These will definitely double their price and be worth more than the other colored counterparts. Both of these bags are manufactured by a company called Dimensions Polyant, and that company manufactures yacht sails, and yacht sails obviously are meant to be very durable against the wind, waterproof when it's on the ocean or lake or whatever, so you know you're going to get a good product when it's manufactured by a sailing company, or a sails, S-A-I-L, manufacturing company. Now, like their yacht sails, these bags employ a fabric called X-Pack. And X-Pack is a patented technology. In this case, it means that they're using 4 different layers and combining that into one single sheet of fabric. Now, the first layer of this X-Pack patented technology is the face of the bag, the exterior that you see right here. Now, this exterior is made out of a nylon material that is meant to prevent abrasions. The second layer is going to be that X-Ply yarn, and you can see it's made out with these diamond markings right here on the bag. Now this is meant to be or make the bag more durable and make it more tear resistant. Now if you like your bags to be waterproof, you want your contents inside the bag to be protected, this is going to be protected by the third layer, which is made out of a polyester barrier. The fourth layer of the bag, much like the third layer, is made out of polyester. This is the interior or the lining of the bag. It is a woven polyester that is waterproof, so it still will protect the contents from outside elements, and it will provide more durability in the inside of the bag, so if your item inside the bag is sharp, it won't scratch it or tear the inside of the bag. The zippers on both of the bags, both the waist bag and the shoulder bags, are made by a manufacturer called YKK, which is a company that is based out of Japan, and they pretty much control the market share or have market share of like the clothing industry when it comes to zippers. You can pretty much open a pair of pants or a jacket and see that YKK branding on the zipper. It just screams quality. YKK is a good brand. So attached to the ends of the zipper is this nylon like lanyard right here, and it is knotted at the end, which is a cool accent. Let's get into the specific of the waist bag. So at the front, you already see the box logo on the front pocket, and you have the background where it's done in that black fabric with the letters in white. On the bottom of the bag, you have the Supreme logo, and it is the Supreme logo in outline form. And I know a lot of people are like, oh my god, 3M. No, this is definitely not 3M material. It's just silver ink on it. You can shine light onto it, and it's not going to refract off like 3M material would. It's just silver ink, so calm down, guys. Again, the waist bag has two different compartments. It has the front compartment and the top compartment, and in opening the front compartment, you'll see there's not too much in terms of space. The lining on the inside, you'll see that it has that woven polyester. It has the Supreme logo on it too, and it's going up diagonally, and then you have the upside down logo right here going down diagonally. In the top compartment, if you open the bag, you'll see that it has a lot more space than that front compartment, and you'll see that same lining again with the Supreme logo going up diagonally and down diagonally. Now, when you flip the inside of the bag, for verification purposes, you'll see this white tag right here. It has the Supreme logo in red font, and it is made in China as clearly stated right here. And I'm pointing that out now because I have a lot of viewers that have asked me in the past, and I just forgot to mention where the bag was made, but it's definitely vital if you want to verify your product is real. On the back of the bag, it's pretty plain. It's just bare fabric, but towards the top, you will see this black tab right here, and it is the logo of the Dimensions Polyant, the manufacturer or the creator of this specific type of X-Pack fabric. Now, on the back of this tab in black, it says Dimension Polyant X-Pack fabric made in the USA. Where the bag meets the nylon strap, you will see this red tab right here. It is the red Supreme box logo and the Supreme logo in white font. And that logo is prominent on both sides, the Supreme right there and then the Supreme on the reverse. Getting onto the strap, it is made out of a nylon material, and at the ends of the strap, you can see that it is looped up inside a buckle. That is made by a company called UTX Flex. With the straps being made out of nylon and the buckle being made out of a thermoplastic, you'll know that this will last pretty long. You can pretty much throw this against the wall or make it become tattered. It'll last a pretty long time. Now, a request that I get quite often when I do these waist bag reviews is how do I adjust the bag to my waist? And it's really simple. You're just feeding the fabric into this loop right here into the buckle. So you just feed it to loosen it, and then you'll pull out the back and adjust like that. And if you want to make it tighter, you're just going to pull on the nearest tab, and that makes it tighter. And on some of these straps, they do have this loop right here, like this fabric piece. You're just gonna want to pull it towards the front so the fabric stays together like that. The shoulder bag. Let's talk about the shoulder bag. We already know that this has more volume space than the waist bag. Again, this has 1.7 liters. The waist bag has 1.2 or can carry up to 1.2 liters. This has way more compartments, which we will get into. The waist bag only had 2 compartments. The waist bag cost $88. This cost $74. To me, this is a no-brainer. The shoulder bag is way superior to the waist bag. So this bag employs the same fabric technology, that X-Pack technology. It has the same YKK zippers. What's the difference? Well, right off the bat, you will notice the shape. The shape is not that oval shape, it is more of a rectangle shape. And 2, you will notice that it doesn't have that prominent box logo right here. Instead, it has that Supreme outline, which I actually like more than the box logo on the waist bag. And much like the bottom of the waist bag, the silver ink, this is not 3M ink. It's just regular silver ink. You can flash light. It will not reflect or refract light like 3M material will. But yes, it is a Supreme outline, and it reaches from one side of the bag to the other, whereas the box logo was just this little tiny sliver. So looking at the front compartment of the bag, you automatically see that lining that was featured in the waist bag, where you have the Supreme going diagonally, upside down, and regular. But what's different about this bag is it has a lanyard on the inside with a clip, so you could clip your keys on the inside of the bag. But 2, it also has a D-hook, which is made out of thermoplastic material, so you can clip items or a carabiner onto this and then pocket it. Now let's close up that front compartment, and there is another compartment that you probably don't see, but it's secured by Velcro. So if I turn it towards the camera, there's the Velcro right here on both the outside and the inside, and you still have that same Supreme lining. But I like the fact that it has an exterior pouch where I don't have to unzip anything. I can just open the bag and then close it. Now on the top of the bag is another compartment, so let's unzip that. You will see that there's so much more space than the first 2 compartments. So you have a big area of space right here, and then you have a compartment right here, another pocket, and then you have this mesh pocket right here, and it's sewn off in the middle, so you can put like your wallet or your cell phone in separate separate compartments. And for the same verification purposes, that white tag is on the inside, Supreme done up in red font, and it is made in China. So unlike the waist bag, this actually has different features on the back panel. So you have these Velcro straps right here where you can actually strap this to like your backpack or a backpack strap, or you can even like strap it to your bicycle, like your handlebars. Now these straps are made out of nylon, but on the inside, you'll see that it is lined off with the loop and the hair of the Velcro. But what's also cool about these straps on the back is that these straps right here aren't sewn all the way, so they're not all the way attached to the bag. So you can like slip this onto a pole or slip this onto something. I don't know what you would slip it onto, but you can slip it onto something. Getting to the shoulder straps, this is made out of a nylon material, and it features that same buckle feature that was on the waist bag, and it is made by the same company, Utex Flex, and it is a thermoplastic material. And to adjust the length of the shoulder straps, you're just gonna lift and pull away to make it longer and just feed the rest of the strap into the buckle. Honestly guys, the shoulder bag is way better than the waist bag. It just looks a lot better than the waist bag. It holds a lot more space, 1.7 as opposed to that 1.2 liters. And I actually wouldn't be surprised if the shoulder bag surpasses the resale price of the waist bag. And if we're gonna compare waist bags like this one to previous seasons, this definitely takes the cake for being the worst waist bag. Most waist bags from Supreme are set at $88. In this, you're getting so little space, it's just not worth it. And while I'm sure that X-Pack material that is employed on this bag is a durable material and waterproof, I think the Cordura material from last season is superior to this bag. Cordura has a higher denier count. I think this is 50 denier. The Cordura I think was 100. It's just a way better bag, the Cordura ones. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much it for this video. I am going to put this on my Backflip Instagram page. Again, that's Backflip with an underscore, and I'm going to raffle off these items. Let me know what you think about these bags. Which do you prefer, the shoulder bag or the waist bag from this season? How does this waist bag compare to previous seasons? Let me know down in the comments below. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up if you truly enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'm only trying to bring you better content. Alright guys, I'm Chris Catalunya, and we will check you next time. Cheers!